Yeah, friends. Okay. Yeah, doctor.
Yeah,
Yeah,
thank you,
thank you,
Viraj.
Viraj.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Dr.
Dr.
Viraj.
Viraj.
So,
So,
Indian
Indian
Dental
Dental Association.
Association, Mumbai West Suburban Branch celebrates World Oral Health Day. A very happy evening to all the excited parents out there. I, Dr. Vivek Jogani, Pediatric and Preventive Dentist in association with Indian Dental Association, Mumbai West Suburban Branch, welcome you all for today's topic, Guide to Complete Dental Hygiene in Kids. So before going into the depth of the topic today, let's understand the basic virtue, child and his teeth. The Indian Dental Association strongly believes in every child has a fundamental right to his total oral health. The society has an obligation to fulfill this faith. With this concept and aim in mind today, I take you to the journey of your child and his teeth too. So when we talk about teeth, we have two sets of dentition. One is the milk teeth and the other is the permanent teeth. A child has 20 milk teeth, that is बच्चे को जब दूध के दांत होते हैं वो 20 होते हैं and जो permanent होते हैं they are 32 in number. So 28 are permanent and plus 4 that is the wisdom teeth. Some may have, some may not have. The slide that you see right now is of a child who is 2 to 5 years of age. तो 2 से 5 साल की एज में जो बच्चों को दांत रहते हैं वो मुंह के अंदर सारे के सारे दूध के दांत रहते हैं और ये जो आप जॉ के अंदर ब्लू कलर के बर्ड्स देख रहे हैं these are the buds of the permanent teeth which are going to develop over a period of time. And this will be replaced in the oral cavity, say from 7 to 13 years of age, and the third molars can come at any time after 13 or 12 years of age. Each tooth has a job to do. Each tooth has a function to do. What are these functions? Let's understand. The front teeth, they are basically known as the incisors, and they usually have a sharp cutting edge to cut the food. So the first bite or the morsel that you take, it is with the incisors. The side teeth, that the sharp teeth, they are nothing but the cuspids, Marathi मध्ये त्याला सुळे म्हणतात, and these are the pointed teeth which are primarily needed to tear the food apart. And the back teeth म्हणजे दाढ़, जो पीछे की दाढ़ होती है, they are known as the molars. They are broad and they have a surface area. So they crush and grind the food so that it can be swallowed and digested properly. Now milk teeth से जब ट्रांजिशन होता है परमानेंट डेंटेशन में, इट डज नॉट हैपन ओवरनाइट के सारे दांत एक दिन में चेंज होके परमानेंट हो जाएंगे. इट गोज थ्रू अ सीरीज ऑफ चेंजेस एंड दिस हैपेंस फ्रॉम अराउंड से 6 to 13 years of age. So the front teeth, that is the incisors that we spoke about, they get replaced at 6 to 9 years of age, and the canines and the molars, they get replaced at 10 to 12 years of age. Now, having understood the normal anatomy, the normal features of the tooth, we are going to understand what is a tooth decay. The tooth decay is nothing but it is an infectious and a communicable disease. When I say communicable, because it can be transmitted from one tooth to the other, and it can be transmitted from one individual to another individual, especially in small babies, from the mother or the father to the babies when they share common utensils such as a spoon. In simple terms, tooth decay means getting the tooth rotted, सड़ जाना, कीड़ लगना. Okay, there are multiple causes of tooth decay. एक वजह से दांत की सड़न नहीं होती है. This could be frequent intake of sugars or starch containing foods, nighttime bottle feeding, or prolonged on-demand breastfeeding. Because रात में जब हम बच्चे को दूध पिला के बच्चा सो जाता है तो at that age group the child usually sleeps on a span of 8 to 10 hours, and वो जो दूध की परख होती है वो दांत पे जम जाती है, and that becomes acid and that results in decay. It is also common in individuals who have low immunity. अगर आजू बाजू के दांतों में कैविटी है तो जाहिर है कि the center tooth will also get cavity, and insufficient oral care, that is not brushing at night primarily. Now एक simple diagram एक बार समझ लेते हैं so that we go into the depth of what is tooth decay and how do we tackle it. A tooth decay does not happen like most of the parents say कि मेरा बच्चा ब्रश करता है फिर भी उसको सड़न हो गई है, या मेरा बच्चा तो चॉकलेट ही नहीं खाता है एंड फिर भी सड़न हो गई है. तो ये चॉकलेट खाने से या ब्रश नहीं करने से, दिस कैन बी पार्टिसिपेटिंग फैक्टर्स, बट ये इनका एक अमालगमेशन होता है, जो 4 फैक्टर्स हम बोलते हैं जिसकी वजह से डीके होता है. So the first important thing is that a microflora, that is the cavity causing bacteria in the oral cavity. The tooth का condition कैसा है, कितने टाइम तक वो है, एंड प्राइमरीली चाइल्ड का डाइट क्या है. अगर रॉ एंड स्पार्टन डाइट है तो इट इज अ हेल्दी डाइट, बट अगर रिफाइंड फूड, जंक फूड, ओवर द काउंटर प्रोडक्ट्स है, एंड ऑल दिस फैक्टर्स आर यूनाइटेड, देन इट रिजल्ट्स इन अ टूथ डीके. सो अ सिंपल इक्वेशन इज, जब भी शुगर यहाँ पे चीनी का मीनिंग नहीं है, शुगर मीन्स एनी सिंपल कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, यानी कि अगर आप चपाती या ब्रेड भी खाते हैं, एंड दैट चपाती या ब्रेड अगर रहता है दांत के ऊपर चिपका हुआ, तो द बैक्टीरिया एक्ट ऑन इट एंड इट फॉर्म्स एसिड. वंस दिस एसिड इज फॉर्म्ड, कोई भी दांत अगर एसिड के एनवायरमेंट में रहेगा तो वो सडन हो जाएगा. इट विल रिजल्ट इन टूथ डीके. So there are various stages of tooth decay. Before knowing the stages, let's understand the layers of the tooth. The outer layer is nothing but the enamel, the white portion. The second layer is nothing but the dentine, which is yellow. And the center pink zone is the pulp tissue or the nerve tissue. So जब stage 1 में decay रहता है, you should never neglect this. This is the most common reason that you visit the dentist at the later stages, and then you result in a lot of multi visits and a lot of expenses. So when you visit the dentist at this stage, it can be taken care by simple fillings. अगर ये stage पे आप treatment नहीं करते हैं, तो स्टेज 2 पे जब दांत जाता है, दैट इज इट इन्वॉल्व्स द डेंटिन. ये स्टेज पे भी ट्रीटमेंट हो सकता है, बट थोड़ा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग हो जाता है. एंड इवेंचुअली अगर ये स्टेज पे भी आपने ट्रीटमेंट नहीं किया एंड इट रिजल्ट्स इन स्टेज 3, देन नस अगर अंदर की इन्वॉल्व हो गई तो नीचे पस जमना शुरू हो जाता है, स्वेलिंग आ जाता है, एंड देन योर डेंटिस्ट कमिंस, रूट कनाल करना पड़ेगा. So if I take a small baby's front teeth picture, that is, we understand nursing pattern of decay. कुछ माएँ बोलती है कि सिर्फ दूध पीता है तो भी सड़न हो जाती है, and what is the reason for this? This is because this is nothing but this is something called as nursing pattern of decay, and this most of the parents say 8 out of 10 parents neglect it. This is nothing that nursing decay means, या baby bottle tooth decay means जब रात को दूध पी के बच्चा सो जाता है, as I mentioned earlier, दूध की परत दांत पे जम जाती है and that forms acid and वो दांत को खाना शुरू कर देता है. ये stage 1 है, जो आप you see this pits on this tooth, and if still it is not treated, then it results in something like this. And again, when we don't treat this, you land up like this. I'm sure the number of cases that I see out of 10, almost 60% of the kids I see in this age, in this range of type of dental decay, and then it results in swellings. So never wait for pain and swelling to come up. You should always take treatment at the initial stages so it does not pinch your pockets as well. So now, after knowing what is the health of the tooth, what is the disease of the tooth, let's understand इन सबको घर के level पे कैसे prevent किया जा सकता है. We recommend the following: avoid bottle feeding. So bottle feeding in the first place is not good for developing jaws and the cheekbones. So you should always avoid bottle. And if at all you are giving bottle to the child because the mother is not able to nurse the child, then see to it that you wipe the oral cavity with gum pads. I'll come to that part of cleaning the gum pads. Introduce your child to cup by his or her first birthday. Yani ki this means that by first birthday, bottle feeding should completely stop, and the child should have his milk by way of a cup. Give water after feeding, cleaning of the teeth after every feed, and brushing even a single tooth, even if there is single tooth. So say 6 months की एज पे जब पहला दांत आता है, वो टाइम से आपको ब्रशिंग शुरू करना है. Dietary advice include salads, fruits, cheese, nuts. These are nothing but, in simple terms, follow a Spartan diet, a raw diet. Raw diet is healthy for your child. Minimize the sugar and starch containing sticky foods and refined foods. Cooked food rather than having junk food. So these pandemic times have actually taught us that when we were having a major lockdown, the cooked food actually helped each and every child. And you would be surprised, I practice in a hospital environment, and you would be surprised that during the pandemic, almost there was a drop by 80% in the drop of stomach infections in kids. And this can be mainly attributed because lockdown mein only cooked food was available and food cooked at home, and junk food was avoided. Less frequent eating between meals. So what I mean by less frequent eating is you give your child the basic four meals, that is breakfast, lunch, evening snack and dinner. But many a times what do parents do is 2 बजे एक पेस्ट्री दे दिया, 3 बजे कुछ और दे दिया, 4 बजे चिप्स दे दिए, 5 बजे कोक दे दिया, or something like that. So what are you doing is every time you are exposing the oral cavity to that acidic environment. So what are you supposed to do here is you can give everything clubbed together at say 5 p.m. Instead of giving it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, club everything and feed at once. So you're bringing down the acidic environment and balance diet with proper nutrients. This is the most common complaint I come across. Children eat a lot of chocolates. Parents usually say children eat a lot of chocolates, but who offers them? So it is you, the parents, who have to identify what is the need, what is good for your child. You have to alter, filter. It's primarily, there is something called as there's a product with which ends with joy, and most of the kids are fond of it because of the small toy getting in that. But that is again just a marketing gimmick. The small toy is just given so that you purchase the entire product and land up the child having that entire content of that packet. So this is how you have to identify what is good and what is not good for your child. So now let's come on to toothbrushing. This is something which is very important. Everyone does, but everyone does not do it in the correct way, does not know how to do it, or does not do it in the correct fashion. So the main question that comes is, when should I start cleaning or brushing my child's tooth? Well, as I said, you have to start brushing when even there's a single tooth. But before the single tooth has come, when you're nursing the child, when the child is on breastfeeding or bottle feeding, 6 mahine ka bhi bachcha nahi hai, like 0 to 6 months of age. In that age group, you have to clean the gum pads with a clean muslin cloth, or it can be wet in nature. So after every feeds, just wipe thoroughly all the gum pads so that you keep the oral cavity free of the residual milk. Otherwise it ferments and then it gives foul smell and halitosis and a lot of unappealing appearance. And once the child starts teething and once the teeth start coming out until 6 years of age, you can brush in the vertical scrub method, that is in the up and down motion, and from 6 to 12 years of age in the circular motion. A couple of videos are available for demonstrations of toothbrushing. You could go through that. Very often, this is the punch statement every parent I visit is how much paste should be used. The amount of paste that should be used is just a pea size. A pea size toothpaste is more than sufficient for brushing the entire oral cavity. And that this holds good for the kids as well for the adults. Now, again, your parents say, ki kaun sa toothbrush? You can pick any toothbrush available in the market, but you should see to it that what is the bristle thickness or the bristle grade of the toothbrush, whether it is a hard brush or a medium or a soft or an extra soft. I would personally advise use a soft or an extra soft toothbrush. Mind you, you're cleaning human tissues, you're not cleaning utensils. Bartan nahi manj rahe hai aap. You use a hard or a medium toothbrush. So always use a soft toothbrush and that is sufficient. Using a hard toothbrush results in a lot of tooth loss. The outer layer, the enamel, wo khiste rehta hai, and over a period of time, because with aging, by the time you reach 40, 45, 50, 55 years of age, you start getting all those issues of toothbrush abrasion and ablation, jisse ki daant, sensitive hona shuru ho jate hain. So a good recommendation is a small pea-sized toothpaste, and which toothbrush? Any toothbrush which could be soft or extra soft bristles. Fluoridated mouth rinses daily at night after brushing, but you may not make it a habit. You can use it once in a week and hold it in the mouth for 30 seconds before rinsing. Well, if you are not an ardent fan of using mouth rinses, or you don't want to expose your child to mouth rinsing, you can simply put the habit of after every meals gargling. That is a good way of taking good care of the oral cavity. Now, Pitt and Fisher sealant. This is one procedure which I usually advise the parents. pits and fissures. So when we understand the shape of the tooth, no tooth is made up of a flat table. It is made up of hills and valleys. So these are the hills and these are the valleys. And these valleys are the food susceptible areas. So this is a professional care procedure which can be easily taken up with your pediatric dentist. All you have to do is take an appointment and your pediatric dentist will seal these fissures. And once the fissures are sealed, this tooth practically cannot get any kind of cavity subject to night brushing. So now coming on, when should a child see a pediatric dentist for the first time? It is recommended within 6 months of eruption of first tooth and no later than a child's first birthday. So you can either show your child as soon as the first tooth comes out in the oral cavity, anywhere around 6 months to 7 months of age, या फिर first birthday पे you can start having a routine checkup with a pediatric dentist. And this is recommended. Milk teeth will be replaced by permanent teeth. Then why all the fuss? Well, milk teeth will be replaced, but nature has designed a certain timetable for this milk teeth to be present. And जब तक वो nature का timetable नहीं होता है गिरने के लिए, तब तक उनको बचा के रखना जरूरी है. Because there are certain functions of the milk teeth. These are nothing but mastication, that is eating. Milk teeth are important for eating. The child learns to eat food. अगर ये एज पे कोई दांत सड़ गया और आपने निकाल दिया तो बच्चा खाना नहीं सीखेगा. How to chew the food, enjoy the taste, enhance the taste for different vegetables, वो सब नहीं हो पाएगा. It is important for the look of the child. I get kids many a times when the front teeth are decayed, आजकल when school annual functions होते हैं, so a child with an unhealthy smile is put in the second row, and then parents come complaining that they want a good set of smile for the child because they want the child to be in the front row in the annual function. So looks do matter. It is very important for speech development. अगर आगे के दांत नहीं रहेंगे तो what we have observed is there is always a slurring of the speech, articulatory speech pattern. कुछ शब्द clear नहीं होते हैं तो speech का difficulty होता है. एंड मिल्क टीथ एक स्पेस मेंटेनर की तरह एक्ट करता है, क्योंकि आपने जो पहला के डायग्राम में देखा है कि मिल्क टीथ के नीचे जो बनता है वो परमानेंट टीथ बन रहा है, तो वो स्पेस मेंटेनर उसको इट मेंटेन्स द स्पेस फॉर द परमानेंट टूथ टू कम आउट. And it prevents psychological trauma due to extraction. अगर आप दांत निकाल देते हैं तो बच्चा has an uneasy experience with his dentist, and this results in a bad trauma, in the child's mind. So, your next query would be, can root canal treatment be done for milk teeth? Yes. I repeat, root canal treatment can be done for milk teeth, and root canal treatment, it is not what many a times parents बोलते हैं कि डॉक्टर साहब अगर रूट कनाल के बिना अगर आप ये दांत बचा सकते हैं फिलिंग कर दीजिए तो we'll see आगे क्या होता है. No, it is not the way. It is not what you and I want. It is what the tooth demands. So if you have visited your dentist in time, if you have visited your dentist well in time, your dentist will take care of the tooth by way of a simple filling. But if you have delayed it and अगर infection नस तक पहुंच गया है, swelling है बच्चे को या abscess है या the entire nerve tissue is necrotic and dead, then in that case milk teeth का भी root canal करना पड़ता है and होता है. It is very safe, and the armamentarium यानी कि जो materials use होते हैं milk teeth में for root canal, they are very safe and they are designed from the kids point of view only, so that the permanent teeth को भी the dentist can take good care of it. Now, what if my child's tooth is knocked out? Now, the age group that we are discussing today is 0 to 18 years of age. So most of these kids have, accidents in the playground, in the garden, in the schools, गिर गया है बच्चा या फुटबॉल खेलते वक्त बॉल लग गई है and the front tooth comes out. So this is nothing but technically it is known as avulsion. तो इसमें क्या हुआ है, सिर्फ ये एज ग्रुप में इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट डू नॉट पैनिक. सबसे पहले तो एज सून एज कोई एक्सीडेंट हुआ है एंड दूध दांत बाहर आ गया है, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू शुड डू इज डू नॉट पैनिक. ओके, आइडेंटिफाई दांत कहाँ पे है and rush to your nearest dentist, whether he's a general dentist, an orthodontist, or a pediatric dentist. If you can get access to a pediatric dentist, it would be excellent. Not just rush to a nearest dentist. ऑफ कोर्स वो दांत लेके, डिपेंडिंग ऑन वेदर वो दूध का दांत है या परमानेंट दांत है, द डेंटिस्ट विल टेक अ डिसीजन. दूध के दांत होते हैं तो उनको कुछ नहीं है, उनको छोड़ देते हैं एंड दे टेक केयर ऑफ द एक्सट्रैक्टेड द सॉकेट एंड ब्लीडिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. बट अगर परमानेंट टूथ होता है तो व्हाट डू दे डू इज, सबसे पहले तो यू हैव टू प्रिवेंट ड्राइंग एंड डैमेज टू द टूथ. तो जब भी आप दांत को से नहीं पकड़ेंगे, and you will not wrap it in a newspaper or a tissue paper and take it, you will take it in a moist media. अगर ड्राई करके लेके जाएंगे तो दांत मर जाएगा एंड देन उसका सर्वाइवल रेट कम रहेगा. सो होल्ड द टूथ बाय द क्राउन. If possible, water. If not possible, just rush to the nearest clinic. And how will you rush to the nearest clinic? अगर बच्चा बहुत छोटा है, डरा हुआ है, घबराया हुआ है, तो फिर अगर दूध अवेलेबल है तो बॉइल्ड मिल्क या फिर योर कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस सोल्यूशन, नारियल पानी, एंड कुछ भी अवेलेबल नहीं है तो यू कैन टेक इट इन रेगुलर फिल्टर्ड cool water. Don't take it in boiling water or anything. Take it in water. या फिर nearest chemist से आप you can just pick up one normal saline का bottle, put it in that, and take it to your dentist. The tooth in the socket, and he'll do whatever is necessary for the tooth. And the golden period is you should always reach dentist in the first 15 to 20 minutes. And if you do that, to me, never ever the child will require any form of treatment for that particular tooth if it's fixed immediately. Yeah, so that's the golden period. With this, I take this opportunity to thank you all for giving us an opportunity to serve you. Thank you so much. I would like to extend my gratitude and thanks to Indian Assembly for taking this topic on celebrating this World Oral. Dr. Sanvi and thank you, Dr. Amish. Thank you
या थैंक यू विवेक जोगानी, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
so much.
थैंक यू विवेक, डॉक्टर विवेक जोगानी, थैंक्स अ लॉट. इसमें आई थिंक सो देर आर प्लेंटी ऑफ किड्स ऑल्सो हु हैव जॉइंड टुडे. उनके पेरेंट्स के साथ भी है. एवरीबडी कैन अनम्यूट योर सेल्फ नाउ एंड एनी क्वेश्चंस if you want to ask, if not, type it down, just raise your hand so that we'll be able to see who wants to ask the question, or you can type it out.
So there is one query
Yeah,
from,
Dr. Kukshi, Dr. Vivek, there is a question from Miss Bafna.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, I'm having gaps in all my teeth.
Yes.
So can I avoid any of the braces?
Ms. Bapna, what is your age?
15.
Yeah, this can be. So, if you have gaps in all your teeth, I think you can unmute everyone. There's echoing.
So you can do one thing. So you can stop the screen sharing, I suppose,
Okay.
and so that it will be a bit more clearer.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, sir.
So, if you're 15 years of age, yes, your teeth can be corrected without any braces. There are a lot of options available. These are something called as invisible braces. These are the trays that you can wear it on their teeth. So you can visit your nearest pediatric dentist or an orthodontist. All they do is take your measurements and they can make those trays for you, which you have to shift and change every 15 days.
Okay.
So can you repeat?
He means to say you need to visit your pediatrician or a pediodontist so that he can advise you a variety of treatment. There are Invisalign available. Those are a sort of invisible trays which needs to be worn daily for few months or a year or so. For that, the dentist, orthodontist, or the pediatrician needs to personally check your teeth, and depending on that, he can give you a treatment plan regarding the same. Am I right, Dr. Vivek?
Yes, absolutely.
How much will it cost?
That depends from orthodontist to dentist, and also your case. How much space is available? How much space we want to reduce it? How much millimeters of space needs to be corrected, and how long the treatment is going to continue.
Okay, so we have another question from Prachi.
Yeah.
What precautions to take so that the teeth grow straight and not grow outwards, so that they don't have to put braces in future? This is an excellent question. This is primarily based on the prevention concept. So if you have a healthy diet, say a Spartan diet, which includes a lot of fiber and raw diet, then the masticatory apparatus यानी जबड़ों का जो exercise होता है वो सही direction में होगा, and you don't have a lot of refined diet, so the growth of the jaws will happen better. And with regards to the cavity, you have to take care by brushing your teeth 2 times a day, morning and night brushing. So night brushing is essential, and a Spartan diet and a regular follow-up with your dentist, say every 6 months, if not then on annual basis, and you are through it.
To this, Dr. Vivek, I would like to add one more thing is
Yes.
the importance of getting yourself checked once in 6 months is because all your parents don't know what is the exact age of the teeth which is going to fall. Okay, because some teeth fall at 6.5 years of age, some teeth fall at 8 months of age, 8 years of age, some teeth fall at 12 years of age. Now you as parent exactly don't know which tooth is going to fall at which time. So what happens? The permanent teeth are not going to wait for this teeth to fall. They will take a different route to come outside, and then you will visit the dentist. At that time, you will say, "Sir, मेरे बच्चों का double दांत है." Okay, so in that stage, your crooked teeth have become. So to avoid that, this 6 months of regular visit is really important. Sir, I would like to. There is one question. As you told that junk foods, you had a decrease in the decay rate during this lockdown because of junk food was totally stopped, right?
Yes.
Now, sir, there was one question. Now, in today's world, with the upcoming kids and everything, avoiding junk food is really, really difficult, sir. Right? I think you also appreciate that. जंक फूड को नहीं खाना हमको बच्चे लोग को बोल के इट इज गोइंग टू बी रियली डिफिकल्ट. सो वो सपोज बच्चे खाते हैं जंक फूड के लिए, तो उसके बाद भी अपने को खाली ब्रशिंग करने से वी कैन अवॉइड द टूथ ब्रशिंग हैबिट्स और स्टिल मोर एनीथिंग एल्स इज रिक्वायर्ड.
See, as a family, you can follow, cheat day. So Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday, you follow a good healthy diet. Sunday you can have a cheat day. Or you can follow a sweet Saturday, wherein you give space to the child for all the cookies and biscuits stored in one drawer or refrigerator. So Monday to Friday बच्चा नहीं खाता है. And Saturday कोई रोक टोक नहीं है, बच्चे को जितना खाने देना है खाने दे दो. Now in this concept what happens is there's a satiety value to every sweet. So a child can eat only a maximum portion is maybe 1 or 2 bar. He cannot eat more than that. So you're bringing down the frequency by avoiding in 6 days of the week and exposing it to 1 day. And now on that one particular day, when you have eaten, you have to brush your teeth after that.
राइट, ग्रेट. दैट्स इट. सो बच्चे लोग, डॉक्टर अंकल ने आप सबको एक चीट डे दे दिया है. घर पे फैमिली के साथ मम्मी डैडी से बात करके एक चीट डे डिसाइड कर लो, लेकिन बाकी के 6 days यू हैव टू ईट हेल्दी फूड. राइट? ओके. Yeah, that's great, sir. That's great. That's really great. Any more questions? Any more queries? Everybody can unmute yourself. Yeah, Nisha ma'am, you wanted to speak something? You can unmute yourself. Yeah, Nisha. Yeah, Nisha.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Anybody else? Sir, is there any special toothpaste which you are told? Is there any special toothpaste for kids which can
Yes, there are
prevent?
not many toothpaste in the market.
Because our parents get confused कि बच्चे लोग को कौन सा toothpaste देना चाहिए. तो any specific guidelines for that?
See, if you use Lux or Pears or Synthol, your skin tone is going to remain the same. The concept is taking bath every day. So whether you use an ABC brand of a toothpaste or an XYZ brand of a toothpaste, what is important is to brush 2 times a day, morning and night, with a fluoridated toothpaste. Now, based on the age group, so for 0 to 2 years of age, we usually use a non-fluoridated toothpaste, and a lot of varieties of non-fluoridated toothpaste are available in the market. And from 2 to 6 years of age, again over the counter, age group wise, certain brands have their own toothpaste. So you can pick any paste brand depending on the age. Important is morning and night brushing, brushing with a soft paste, depending on the age, whether it is a fluoridated or a non-fluoridated paste. And most important is changing your toothbrush every 3 months.
Great. Fine, super. Now, as a dentist, sir, I would like to ask you one question because we
Yes,
have,
please.
as a dentist now, parents से तो काफी हो गए. We normally do get parents in our clinic with their kids asking us कि डॉक्टर साहब इसके दांत तो बचपन से ही सड़े हुए हैं. So how to tackle these cases and how to explain the parents regarding the same thing? Because you yourself know that God is not going to give the dirty teeth to all the kids, to any kid in fact. तो ये
Yes.
चीज हम लोग को पेरेंट्स को कैसे समझानी चाहिए?
This is an easy way of parents to run away. You know, to accept the onus on them that मेरी वजह से दांत बच्चे के खराब हुए हैं. It's an easy way कि इसके बच्चे बचपन से ही खराब है. Even I come across the same query very often. So what we tell the parent is दांत कभी भी एक रात में खराब नहीं होता है. It goes through a series of color changes. So on a grade of color scale white to black, tooth will first become white, then chalky white, light yellow, yellow, light brown, brown, then a grayish hue, then dark brown and then black. So parents usually come in the last 3 categories, that is grey, dark brown and black, because for them cavity means that black हो जाना. But जो starting के color range है, yellow, light yellow or chalky white, those are the reversible stages which they often tend to, miss. So if you carefully see the oral cavity, you will see certain zones which will again be having light yellow, yellow patches or a chalky white patch. So you can show them that these are the patches which are initial stages of decay. We take a picture today. If you're not treating them, after 6 months, this will become brown, black color.
Right, okay, fine. Sir, Dr. Amit wants to know what is the name of the non-fluoridated toothpaste available?
There are, if I have to give a brand, then Chiku is one brand which is available which has a non-fluoridated toothpaste in the market.
Chiku.
Yes.
Okay. So there is one more case consultation. Okay. Miss Bafna wants to know, I am
Yes.
18 years of old. My milk teeth has been not fall. So I have consulted to dentist. He removed my teeth and he told me that the permanent teeth will not come. Is it possible?
It is possible अगर आपके पास कुदरती परमानेंट दांत नहीं है. तो अगर कुदरती परमानेंट दांत नहीं है, what your dentist has removed is milk tooth.
Yes.
And if you are sure that he has removed the milk tooth, then he is also not at fault. अगर नीचे permanent tooth नहीं है, तो nobody can do anything.
Right. And also sir, I would add to this is अगर आपका दांत अंदर कहीं पे अटका हुआ है हड्डी के अंदर, since you are 18 years of age, तो normally the corner teeth which are that, those are the most important teeth which have been not coming out. So अगर वो अंदर अटके हुए हैं, the canines which we say, if they are stuck up inside, then also they are not going to come. So in that case, if it is stuck up, तो यू नीड टू विजिट एन ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट फॉर दैट. अगर दांत है ही नहीं तो आपको किसी को मिलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आपके नॉर्मल डेंटिस्ट है. जब आप 20-22 साल के हो जाओगे तब आप उसके रिप्लेसमेंट के बारे में सोच सकते हो कि कैसे रिप्लेस करना है.
Yes.
There is someone from iPad is asking why implants and root canals are costly. My dear friend, today's lecture is not for that. Today's lecture is specifically for the kids dentistry, prevention of tooth decay. But just in short, I would like to say root canals costly इसके लिए है because armamentarium materials काफ़ी यूज़ होते हैं उसमें, और हम लोग उस वो ट्रीटमेंट को कॉस्टली बनाते हैं बिकॉज वी एज जनरल पब्लिक विजिट द डेंटिस्ट एट अ लेटर स्टेज. जब हमारे पास दर्द होता है, जैसे डॉक्टर विवेक ने बताया था आपको कि जो सडन है अंदर के पल्प तक पहुंचता है तभी अपने को पेन होता है. स्टार्टिंग के जो थोड़े ब्लैक स्पॉट्स रहते हैं उस समय हम डेंटिस्ट के पास जाते नहीं हैं. ओके, सो वो पेन होने तक हमको रुकने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. वी डोंट वांट टू वेट टिल दैट टाइम. तो आपको डेंटिस्ट्री या रूट कैनाल्स करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. तो वो कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव ट्रीटमेंट हो जाएगा आपका. खाली सीमेंट या चांदी भर के हो जाता है. सो एज पर डेंटिस्ट्री इतना कॉस्टली हम लोग बनाते हैं, होता नहीं है. हम लास्ट स्टेज पे पहुंचते हैं इसके लिए. इम्प्लांट्स कॉस्टली है बिकॉज द वे इम्प्लांट्स आर मेक द कंपनीज विच मेक द इम्प्लांट्स आर कॉस्टली एंड देयर इज हेल लॉट ऑफ आर्मामेंटेरियम यूज्ड इन इट. Yeah, friends, I think so. There are no more questions, I suppose. I cannot see any more questions on the chat box. I would like to, I would like to thank Dr. Vivek Jogani today to give a special time on a Sunday and enlightening us सबको इसके बारे में जानकारी देने के लिए, खास करके छोटे बच्चों को. बिकॉज वो हम बोलते हैं ना, बचपन से जो अच्छी आदतें लगती है वो हम लोग आगे तक कैरी फॉरवर्ड करते हैं. तो दांत संभालने की जो अच्छी आदत है वो क्यों ना हम बचपन से ही इनकलकेट करें बच्चों के अंदर. सो थैंक्स अ लॉट डॉक्टर विवेक फॉर making the parents as well as the kids aware the importance of teeth in their mouth. And thanks Dr. Jashin for organizing this meeting over there. And thank you all the parents today and the kids who have been available. The takeaway point is brush 2 times a day. Avoid junk food and sticky food. You can definitely use a cheat day for that. And do visit your dentist at least once in 6 months. Thank you. Thank you, sir. I'll be ending the meeting. So, 1 minute. There is one question. Is decaying of tooth related to genes?
Never.
Never.
जब कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है, we blame it on heredity.
Okay.
So we say diabetes is hereditary, blood pressure is hereditary. Hereditary अभी आया है. It was never there for our forefathers. So no.
Okay. Thank you, friends. Thank you.